In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Similarweb Chrome extension. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Similarweb extension. And once you've done that, you click on the first link that pops up and you are redirected into the Chrome Web Store. Now, as you can see, Similarweb is over here. What you want to do is click on Add to Chrome and then confirm it by clicking on Add Extension. And once that's done, you're gonna see that if you go over here, where it's the puzzle icon, you're going to see Similarweb under your Chrome extensions. Now, what I recommend doing is pinning it for easy access. So you click on this little pin button over here, and as you can see, you can now access it easily by clicking on it. And then you just want to go to a website. You want to check the traffic and analysis off. Now, let's say for me, this is going to be youtube.com. And then what you want to do is refresh that website so the Similarweb extension can load in. And then you just click on this extension and then go down here and press yes. And now you can see all the insights from Similarweb for youtube.com. Now you can see the visits over time, the bounce rate, pages per visit, monthly visits, average visit duration. Then we've got ranking, where the website ranks worldwide, globally, and then country rank and category rank. And then you can also see geography, so where people are coming from, and you can select the dates of which you want to see that. And then the top 5 countries, traffic sources, and if you're interested in more insights, you can go to Similarweb. So you just click on this orange button down here, and you're gonna be taken right to their official website just in a second here, where you can create a free account and you're going to see more insights that you may be interested in.